Hey everybody, this is Doug. I'm Patrick from BimmerWorld. Doug is here to pick up his brand new, to him, it is 28 years old, E36 M3 giveaway car from BMW CCA. So we're gonna go look at it, but first we're gonna give him a little tour around the warehouse and let him know where all the parts came from.
Oh, there it is. Look at that.
Yeah, man. The old E36 M3 4.5.
This is prettier in person.
Right? I think it's
Yeah.
gorgeous.
You guys did a good job.
Thank you. And the walkers kept this thing up pretty well, and the owners before them, and I'm pretty sure, other than the bumper that we replaced, that it's original paint, and that was just because it was kind of faded.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this thing's sweet. So, out of curiosity, how many times did you enter?
2 tickets.
Nice. So for 50 bucks, that's
It
awesome.
was a really good deal, yeah. Yeah, I've raced these, but I've never really
It's
spent
hard to
much
find
time
one in
driving,
stock, right?
driving one as a street car. The new radiator.
Yeah. Good old radiator from CSF, full of redline fluids,
Perfect.
looking fresh. And so I've got all of the paperwork for the car, be it title, sales order, and some other stuff. James actually came across some really cool of the era E36
sweet.
M3 stuff. So that's Car and Driver. I think there's another Car and Driver behind it, or something else.
Yeah, after I found out about this, I went and rewatched the Jason Camissa why the US spec one is the best one to have
Yeah.
video. And he like threw all these Car and Driver magazines out and was like, look at it, it was the best.
This is some of the service records from previous owners, which is in a nice large binder.
Awesome.
And this is the title from BMW CCA. Then our sales order. What's this other folder? Oh, this is more maintenance work.
More stuff.
Yeah,
Awesome, thank you, sir.
absolutely. Yeah, initial reactions, what do you think?
It's beautiful, yeah. I mean, you don't, like you said, you don't see these things that haven't been super messed with, that
Yeah.
are, you know, and you really, really don't see one that have had, you know, all the suspension completely gone through, new radiator, like you say, replacing all the things that break
Yeah.
on an E36. So, yeah, pretty amazing. I don't know what half this stuff is in here because all the ones I've driven have it all removed for racing. I did happen to have an E36 fuel pump, just the pump itself that I got from you guys for my E46 M3 for the starvation kit.
Nice.
And I put a bigger pump in that could do 85 and things like that. So I had that at home. It's like, if I take apart, I should probably take this fuel pump and the fuel pump relay because I don't think they changed that. And this car is 30 years old and I have it already. So I threw it in my suitcase and
I got you.
the TSA let me keep it. So if I need a fuel pump, I got that. Yeah, the last time I worked on one of these was the last NASA race out in Colorado. A guy went off track and punched a hole in his radiator. So we got to do a quick splitter removal, radiator change, hot swap before
fun.
the next session like 2 hours later. So worked on them a little bit.
Oh man. So being out in Colorado and being around other racers, do you know a guy named Dan Goodman?
That's the guy.
Yeah? Oh, sweet. I talk to Dan on a weekly basis.
That's the guy that went off the track, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he's gotten parts for me for you guys.
Oh, yeah, constantly. Yeah, tell Dan I
No,
said hi.
he's the guy.
He is the guy. He's the E36 guy in Colorado.
Yeah, I haven't told him yet. I don't even know if he knows. Can I just show up
should
at
send
his
him
house?
a selfie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look what I got, Dave. Yeah, it's a crazy list of parts
Right?
you guys threw at it.
Yeah, and we've got it in there with the actual price list on there, and it's wild.
Yeah.
Like, I think at this point, this is like a $30,000 E36.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I say, I hardly ever see these even with an interior in the middle.
Right? It's like, this is what the door cards look like.
I have no idea.
That's the wrap up of our E36 M3 BMW CCA giveaway car. I just want to thank Continental Tires, OPTIMA Batteries, Powerflex, CSF, Epic Motorsports. That was everybody. Thank everybody that was involved in this process. James and BimmerWorld for taking it on.
Yeah, thanks, James. Sorry you couldn't be here.
Didn't get to meet Doug, but yeah, hopefully Doug has a fun and safe drive home and avoids some bad weather and gets to really get to know this E36 M3.
We're gonna be tight by the time
Oh,
I get
yeah.
back. Yeah, I'm excited. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it so much.
Absolutely. Happy to help.
Awesome.
And let us know if you need anything else. We just wanted to say thanks to everyone that followed along on this journey. Thank you to BMW CCA for allowing us to put the giveaway car together, for that to be something that we did here. We're honored for that opportunity. We did want to thank our sponsors that helped along the way. I want to give a shout out to OPTIMA Batteries, Redline Oil, Powerflex USA, Continental Tire, CSF, Meyle, and Epic Motorsports. And once again, so much thanks to BMW CCA for allowing us to be part of this journey to build Doug a fantastic E36 M3 and yeah, just show everybody what we can do here at BimmerWorld. If anybody needs BMW parts, whether they are for E36s or anything else that BMW has ever made, to a degree, let us know and we would be happy to help you find what you need for your BMW.
Ready to go?
Should be an awesome race weekend.
We are ready to kill it this year.
It's good.
It's going to be a wild ride.